Most winds and surface currents are generated by winds, basically. The winds, the friction between the moving air currents hitting the top of the water, a little friction there grabs it, and it'll create a little ripple mark. You create the same effect if you have a glass of water and blow on the top of the glass. You'll see the water start to get pushed, and so and then the more that the wave rises up, the more surface area it has, and the winds become more effective at pushing the water. And so winds, the wind speed affects it, but also the longer the winds have been blowing, they call it the fetch, the greater the distance, those get larger sizes. That's why if you have an offshore storm here in Virginia Beach, the waves will generally get bigger. The surfers will go out if there's a hurricane approaching, because the waves from the stronger winds blowing will drive those wave currents upwards, and you'll have larger waves.